Alright, so this review is for the Lithonia lighting floodlight. The front of our house doesn't have very good lighting, and with people wanting to come over sometimes to hang out, can't necessarily find our address. Well, we give them the address, but you know, they don't see the house. So we installed a couple of lights, and here we are. It's about 9 o'clock, nice and dark out here. You can see lights up the front of the house very nicely. We only have 2 set up, but it does a hell of a job. Nice and bright. We've had these installed for about 2 weeks. Looks just as good today as they did 2 weeks ago. Hopefully they look just as good 2 years from now. Here, let me, I'm gonna back up to the driveway. Hopefully I don't bust my ass. Not the driveway, the street. On the sidewalk. There you go. So I'm standing out right by the mailbox. That's what the front of the house looks like. I mean, you can see there's still some dark shadow, but it makes it pretty clear if we ever decide to have guests over, that they can, you know, find us, and hopefully deters any shenanigans. Maybe scares away some of the deer, which if you follow the blog at all, you'll know I've been having a big problem with these sons of guns. Anyway, so there you go. Floodlights, they look good, work good. They're on the timer. Come on around 8:30, go off around 6:30 a.m. Keeps the front of the house totally lit up.